In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a conference room for your Microsoft Outlook meeting. We'll walk through Outlook on the web and create a meeting that includes a Teams link and reserves a room, so you're covered for both in-person and remote attendees. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com, then sign in with your work or school account. Once your inbox loads, look toward the upper right area of the page for the Teams option. Click it to open the Teams panel inside Outlook. This ties your meeting invite directly to an online meeting, which is helpful if some participants will join remotely or if you want a backup option. Next, select Meet. In the panel that appears, choose Create a Meeting Link. Outlook will generate a Microsoft Teams meeting link for you. This link will automatically be included in the calendar invite, so no one has to ask where to join. Now give your meeting a clear, descriptive title. For example, include the project name and the purpose so invitees can tell at a glance what the session is about. After that, you can schedule the meeting rather than starting it immediately. Scheduling allows you to lock in a time, invite people, and, importantly, book a conference room. In the invite, confirm the title and then invite attendees. This is the perfect place to add your conference room. Many organizations have room mailboxes or room names that show up just like people do. Start typing the room name and select it from the suggestions. When you add the room as an attendee, Outlook will attempt to reserve it for your chosen time. If it's available, it will accept. If not, you'll see a decline or a suggested alternative, and you can adjust accordingly. Set the date and time for your meeting. Be mindful of time zones if your team is distributed. Pick a duration that's realistic, and consider adding a small buffer at the end so you have time to wrap up and clear the room. In the description field, add the agenda, any prep materials, and special room needs such as seating layout or AV requirements. This helps your attendees show up ready and ensures the room is used effectively. When everything looks right, click Save. Outlook will send invitations to participants, reserve the conference room, and include the Teams link for anyone joining online. That's it. You've created a scheduled Outlook meeting, invited your team, and booked a conference room all in one smooth flow.